Welcome. If you want to change the look of your card in Pokemon Unite, at the first you have to tap on the left upper corner and then we have to click on our card. Right now we have to click edit. As you can see in this place, we are able to change expression of our face. We can also change pose. Of course, here we can zoom in or zoom out. I honestly prefer to let it look like that. We can also add the Pokemon sticker. But I don't want to make it, so I'm going to remove the normal stickers like heart, for example, or Pokeball. And when you want to move it, you have to select and then adjust like that. Let's leave this one, and the heart I'm going to remove. We can also change the background color and the frame. And to save, you have to click back and tap save. So as you can see, that's how we can make it, and it's very, very simple. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.